Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to explain why I stopped trading meme coins and why I started launching them instead. Because I realized that in 2026, deving meme coins is far more profitable and way less riskier than trading. And I've personally made hundreds of thousands of dollars personally. If you want to see exactly how it works, bro, well, this video's for you. A little bit over $8 million, all made from deving meme coins on Pump.Fun, bro. In this video, I'm going to ungatekeep the method and show you guys how it's done, so keep watching if you want to make this wallet yours. Now, a lot of people do not lose money in this market of meme coins because they are just unlucky or they lack talent. They actually lose a lot of money because they only trade meme coins. They buy in a random coin hoping for the coin to explode, but the opposite happens. The coin goes to complete zero and the person who launched the coin takes advantage of that demand. That's why more advanced traders and influential KOLs are actually walking away from trading and choosing to launch coins instead. In my opinion, bro, and it's a fact, launching meme coins is low risk and high rewarding, and it's way fucking easier than trading in my opinion and more enjoyable. When you trade meme coins, bro, your money ends up in the pockets of the devs after this happens. So deving meme coins is the most profitable route in 2026. Now, the process of launching is really fucking simple. Okay, listen up. We just launch coins based off of a narrative for completely free. Then we wait for buyers to buy in, and then when the hype and the volume and the transactions are going up and then the market cap is at where we want it to be, we just exit and we rinse and repeat this method with other narratives or with the same one. Now into this video, bro, I will be ungatekeeping the method. I will show you guys exactly step by step on how I built my entire crypto portfolio, so keep watching. This is going to be insane. And by the way, bro, my entire video is made for educational purposes only, so please, bro, do not take this seriously. I am not a financial advisor, so please do not copy me. Now, there's a bunch of devs in this space that are launching actually the wrong way. They're making their meme coins on Pump.Fun and hoping for their coin to go viral. That's actually the wrong way to dev meme coins, because every single launch, you're just wasting your time and hoping for buyers. Now, Pump.Fun is overflooded. There's too many coins launching, so the chances of your coin to stand out is really fucking minimal. And on top of that, bro, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees, so you're losing a bit of control off of your coin, bro. It's just a losing situation if you launch your meme coins here. Now, as a dev, the real objective is getting your token in front of the random decks and for your meme coin to reach a $55,000 market cap on Pump.Fun. But as you guys may know, bro, reaching that point takes too long and takes too much luck for it to happen. That's why I use create meme.io to launch all my meme coins, okay? Because every single coin that launches through create meme will go directly to Radium and it will skip the entire bonding curve. So your meme coin is automatically leveled up to the Radium DEX, and that means your meme coin will be viewed to tens and thousands of traders on the spot, depending on how many trenchers are active at the moment, okay? Like literally, bro, launching on here is a method, and that's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, I'm going to break down exactly how a coin is launched on this platform. There are two ways to make a token here, and it all depends on you on how you want to play it out. The first option is building a whole new coin entirely from scratch. This starts with finding a narrative for that coin. So, for example, bro, go on X, right? Go on fucking Google News and look for anything that is trending and that could be turned into a meme coin, okay? A viral tweet, a political situation, or a meme that is blowing up could work. Now, once you've chosen that narrative, bro, head back to create meme.io, choose a name, right? Invent a quick ticker symbol, then upload a logo. You can just screenshot the viral tweet, for example, and then you just put it right here. And then after that, bro, your custom coin is live in minutes. after these steps. But if your goal is speed and instant fucking volume in your coin and just free promo, well, the second method might be for you, okay? And that's the copy trending coins tab. And personally, bro, this is the only thing that I use to grow my crypto portfolio, because all these tokens right here on this list are getting massive attention and non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun. The hype is confirmed and the narrative is proven to go viral already. So instead of launching a whole new coin from zero with the first method, well, you are tapping directly into existing momentum and just vamping a whole new coin. That means immediate transactions, thousands of views on your coin, and a much higher chance of quick profits. That's exactly why I copy coins, in my opinion, obviously. But yeah, now it's time for the best part of today's video, and that is to copy a coin in front of you guys and to see how much profits we can make in Solana, obviously. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? Let me just do a quick example for you guys, just like so. Then click on refresh if you want to see the new coins pop up, because there's new coins at every single second, and boom. And then let me copy the seed coin, right? Copy the radium right here. Just choose a coin and copy it. Then ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Every single launch pad will have the same warning for the first time. Then click on proceed, confirm, or understand right here. Then click on confirm, and then the coin should be copied right now. Okay, just wait a bit. Boom. Let me go on SoScan first of all to see if it's minted. As you guys can see, bro, it's minted 15 seconds ago. Everything looks good. Okay, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking simple. We're basically creating the radium liquidity pool so that people on chain right here can buy your coin, sell it through your own liquidity pool. Okay, this step is what turns your token on for everyone. Now there's two easy steps. First is token A. Click on 90%. That's the sweet spot for the supply. It will drop 900 million tokens. Token B is where you are buying your coin as a first transaction, right? It's the first entry into your own liquidity pool. You are not wasting or losing your money here. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and that stays attached to your position, which means if you cash out your liquidity later, well, it will come back inside your Phantom wallet since you are the creator of the coin. So it's basically like we spent nothing. So 0.3 Sol, click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, just give it some time, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then boom, the liquidity pool is created. Click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the seed coin is now live. Okay, you have all the stats and your profits right here. And if you click on the refresh button for a second fucking time, now the coin has a $100 PNL because people are buying in. And that's the beauty of fucking deving, bro. Okay, we copied this coin and now people are aping in. Click on view on Photon or Axum or Nova or go on your terminal, right? Then look at the chart. Let me go on full screen. The coin should be fucking good now. Okay, the chart loaded in. As you guys can see, bro, we're already up like $200, which is absolutely insane, bro. This is exactly why. Oh my gosh, $73. Yo, we're up like 300, I think. Oh my fucking god, people are buying in. This is exactly why I love deving, bro. This coin costed us like $0 to create, and now we're getting a lot of transactions, all because we combined create meme.io with the radium dex, bro. That's the beauty of deving, bro, and that's exactly why I encourage everyone watching this video to fucking use this method. 1.8k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane for a coin now. The more people who see your coin on chain, the more transactions and volume that you will get. It's only natural, right? Let's fucking go, bro. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump, and when I come back, bro, we will cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 3.3k market cap, 1.6k liquidity, and we're getting a lot of volume at the moment. Now, come back to create meme.io when you are ready to cash out your profits. And then obviously, bro, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, bro, we are fucking up 1.7k. That is not too shabby. Click on the red button, which is the minus button to remove, then 100% to remove all, remove the liquidity, then just to fucking wait. And as you guys can see, bro, I will be receiving around 17.4 Sol. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you do it from start to finish. If I open my Phantom wallet for complete proof, bang, I received the fucking soul in my wallet. Even though Solana is down, bro, we still ended up making a quick bag. Now you can do that over and over again, bro. It's obviously all for educational purposes only, but create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description, bro. Go launch yourself a couple coins and let me know in my Discord and Telegram what happens, okay, and your results. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and obviously join my Telegram group or Discord for more info on that giveaway, bro. Peace fucking out.